Yo, this the Savage Scientist here with my Galaxy S25 Ultra and my Galaxy Tab S9. With a quick video just to explain, demonstrate something that I really hate when using this tablet. So sometimes the user interface, these options on top will disappear. They still here now, but I want you to pay attention to see how I'm able to draw with my finger. And watch what happens when I disable this option or enable. It says finger drawing is off. If finger drawing is off, then shouldn't I not be able to do this? So watch what happens when I turn finger drawing on. I get my crazy scroll up to go down, scroll down to go up with my finger, and if I want to draw, I have to use the S pen. That's the behavior that I desire and would like. But for some reason, the tablet got it wrong with the options here. These options, finger drawing on, needs to be swapped to the function that's happening with finger drawing should be off. And you would think they got it right, but this is to show you that it's the same damn software, or an update did this on my S25 Ultra. Finger drawing is on. While I'm scrolling, let's turn it off. Finger drawing is off. I'm able to draw finger drawing off, but I'm able to draw on the screen. So I'm able to draw on the screen, interact with the thing with finger drawing off. This is to show you that the options are backwards. So on here, finger drawing is off. I don't know if it's Samsung's intention to fix this. But this is the Savage Scientist Ed with a quick video showing you an issue with the Samsung Notes app that needs to be fixed. Till I make my next video, peace out.